Hi, now we are going to see calculation of profit. Selling price is given as 100 and cost price is given as rupees 80. So we have to determine the profit in rupees. So profit in rupees is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 100 minus 80, that is equal to plus 20. Here plus represents profit. So profit percentage can be calculated using the formula profit divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to 20 divided by 80 into 100, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Therefore profit percentage is equal to 25%. We have to substitute the profit percentage in the given statement. So profit is plus 20 in rupees and profit percentage is 25, that is plus 25. Here plus represents profit. For all the given situation, cost price percentage remains standard as 100. So cost price percentage is 100, profit percentage is 25. Therefore selling price percentage is equal to cost price percentage plus profit percentage, that is equal to 100 plus 25, that is equal to 125%. In this way we can calculate selling price percentage, profit percentage and also profit. Now we are going into the next situation. Now we are going to see calculation of loss. In the given situation, selling price is rupees 60, cost price is 80. For all the given situations, profit or loss is equal to selling price minus cost price only. If the resultant amount is positive, then it is called profit. If the resultant amount is negative, then it is called loss. Here selling price is 60 rupees and cost price is 80 rupees. Therefore the resultant profit or loss is equal to 60 minus 80, that is equal to minus 20. Here minus represents loss. Therefore loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to minus 20 divided by 80 into 100, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to minus 25%. We are substituting the loss percentage in the given statement. So loss in rupees is minus 20 and loss in percentage is minus 25. For all the given situation, cost price percentage remains fixed or standard, that is equal to 100. Therefore selling price percentage is equal to cost price percentage plus loss percentage, plus or minus loss percentage. So that selling price percentage is equal to 100 plus of minus 25, that is equal to 75%. In this way we have calculated loss in rupees, loss percentage and also the selling price percentage. Now we are going for the next situation. Mr. A garment seller, bought a shirt for rupees 500 and sold it for rupees 700. What is profit percentage? Now we have to write what are all the given information and what we have to find out. Selling price in rupees is 700, cost price in rupees is 500. So we have to calculate profit and also the profit percentage. We are going to the next step. Here we have to mention the cost price percentage. Cost price percentage for all the given situation will be 100. So selling price is 700, cost price is 500 and cost price percentage is 100. Now we are going for the next situation, next step. In this step we are going to calculate the profit and profit percentage. Here selling price in rupees is 700, cost price in rupees is 500. Therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 700 minus 500, that is equal to 200. For all the given situation, cost price percentage remains as 100. Therefore profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost into 100, that is equal to profit 200, cost 500, 200 divided by 500 into 100, that is equal to 0.4 into 100, that is equal to 40%. Hence the profit percentage equal to 40%. In this way profit percentage is calculated. Now we are going for the next situation. An article is sold for rupees 780 at a profit of 30%. What is the cost of the article? The options are A rupees 500, B rupees 556, C rupees 585, D rupees 600 and E rupees 700. Now we are going to write what are all the given information and what we have to find out. The selling price in rupees is 780 and profit percentage is given as 30%. We have to calculate the cost price in rupees. So we are going for the next step. Here we have to mention cost price percentage and find the cost in rupees. So selling price in rupees is 780 and profit percentage is 30. For all the given situation, cost price percentage remains as standard as 100. Therefore selling price percentage is equal to cost price percentage plus profit percentage, that is equal to 100 plus 30, that is equal to 130%. Therefore selling price percentage is equal to 130%. Cost price is equal to selling price divided by selling price percentage into 100, that is equal to 780 divided by 130 into 100, that is equal to 6 into 100, that is equal to 600. Therefore cost price is equal to 600. In the above options, 600 represents option D. Therefore the correct answer is D. Now we are going for the next situation. Ravi sold 16 pens at the cost of 20 pence. What is the profit and loss made by him? In the given situation, 16 SP is equal to 20 CP. Here selling price is equal to, for 16 pence is 16 SP. Cost price for 16 pence is equal to 16 CP. We have to determine profit or loss percentage. Now we are going for the next step. The given condition is 16 selling price is equal to 20 cost price. For calculating 16 pence, selling price is equal to 16 SP. For cost price is equal to 16 CP. But the given condition is 16 SP is equal to 20 CP. Therefore substituting the value of 20 CP, that is equal to 16 SP, we are getting the equation as selling price for 16 pence is equal to 20 CP, cost price for 16 pence is equal to 16 CP. Therefore profit and loss is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 20 CP minus 16 CP, that is equal to 4 CP. Now we are going to the next step. Profit and loss percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to 4 CP divided by 16 CP into 100, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25%. In this way profit percentage is calculated to be 25%. Now we are going for the next situation. A plot is sold for rupees 18,700 with a loss of 15%. At what price it should be sold to get a profit of 15%? So the given information is selling price is rupees 18,700. It represents a loss of 15 percentage. Here loss is denoted by minus. So we have to calculate selling price which can produce a profit of 15 percentage. Now we are going into the next step. Here to mention the cost price percentage. For all the given situation, cost price percentage remains standard or fixed, which is equal to 100 percentage. Now we are going to the next situation. Here the loss is 15 percentage, so it minus represents loss. Cost price percentage is 100, that is fixed. So selling price percentage is equal to cost price percentage plus profit or loss. So 100 plus of minus 15, which results to 85 percentage, that is equal to selling price percentage. Therefore selling price percentage is 85 and selling price in rupees is 18,700. Therefore cost price is equal to selling price divided by selling price percentage into 100, that is equal to 18,700 divided by 85 into 100, that is equal to 220 into 100, that is equal to 22,000. Now the cost price is calculated to rupees 22,000. Now we are going for the next step. Here we have to find out the selling price to earn a profit of 15 percentage. Profit is equal to 15 percentage. Cost price percentage remains fixed or standard at 100. So selling price percentage is equal to cost price percentage plus profit, that is equal to 100 plus 15, that is equal to 115. So we have to find out the selling price in rupees. So selling price in rupees is equal to cost price divided by cost price percentage into selling price percentage, that is equal to 22,000 divided by 100 into 115, that is equal to 220 into 115, that is equal to 25,300. So the value of the plot to gain a profit of 15 percentage is equal to 25,300. Now we are going for the next situation. A man sold an article for rupees 247.50, thereby gaining 12.50 percentage. What is the cost of the article? Now the given informations are selling price in rupees is 247.50 and gain or profit in percentage is 12.50. We have to find out the cost of the article. So we are going for the next step. To mention the cost price percentage, for all situation cost price percentage is fixed or standard, that is equal to 100 percentage. So gain or profit is 12.50, cost price percentage is 100. So we can calculate selling price percentage in the next step. So selling price percentage is equal to cost price plus percentage plus profit percentage, that is equal to 100 plus 12.50, that is equal to 112.50. So selling price in rupees is 247.50, selling price in percentage is 112.50. Now we are going for the next step. Cost price is equal to selling price divided by selling price percentage into 100. Therefore selling price is 247.50 divided by 112.50 into 100, that is equal to 2.20 into 100, that is equal to 220. Therefore cost price of the article is 220. Now we are going for the next situation. A retailer buys a radio for rupees 225. His overhead expenses are 15. He sells the radio for rupees 300. Find the profit percentage of the retailer. Selling price is 300 and selling cost price of the article is 225 and the overhead expenses incurred on the radio is 15. So cost price is equal to 225 plus 15, that is equal to 240. Hence selling price is 300, cost price is 240. Now we have to calculate profit percentage. We are going for the next step. Here we are going to mention the cost price percentage. For all the given situation, profit cost price percentage remains as standard or fixed at 100. So selling price in rupees is 300, cost price in rupees is 225 plus 15, that is equal to 240. Therefore we have to calculate profit in rupees and also profit percentage. To determine profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Therefore profit is equal to 300 minus 240, that is equal to 60 rupees. Now we have to calculate profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to 60 divided by 240 into 100, that is equal to 0.25 into 100, that is equal to 25%. In this way we have calculated the profit percentage, which is equal to 25%. We hope that we have explained all the informations regarding the given situation nicely. If you have any doubts or clarification, please comment in the comment section. Please like it, comment it and subscribe the channel. Thank you one and all. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.